it's Miss Foster. Today we're going to be making a sun and a moon drawing utilizing warm and cool colors. So our warm colors, which are reds, oranges, and yellows, are going to go here on the side of the sun. Warm colors make us think of things that are warm, like the sun. Cool colors, on the other hand, are going to be here on the moon side. These are going to be colors that make us think of things that are cool, like green, a cold, damp forest, blue, maybe an icy cold river, purple for a winter night sky. Think of things that make you feel cool inside. So yes, colors do have a temperature. We're going to do warm colors on the sun side, cool colors on the moon side. Go ahead and grab a piece of paper, something to draw with, and something to color with, and let's get started.